اور کورٹ کا مشکور ہوں کہ انہوں نے ہماری بات سنی. ہم نے ان سے کہا کہ صاحب 12 مہینوں سے ہمارے لوگ قید بند میں ہیں, ان کو چھوڑا نہیں گیا ہے, اور مہربانی کر کے اگر آپ اس کی طرف دیکھیں کہ ان کو بھی آزاد کیا جائے. کہ آپ لوگ جو حکومت کہتی ہے کہ یہاں ایک پولیٹیکل پروسیس ہونی چاہیے, کہ ہم لوگ بھی آزادی سے گھوم سکیں, لوگوں سے بات کر سکیں, آپ سے بات کر سکیں. تو اللہ کا کرم ہے کہ ہم نے اس کی شروعات کی ہے, اور میں مشکور ہوں ان کا کہ یہ لوگ آج آپ دیکھتے ہیں کہ گھر سے نکل سکے ہیں 12 مہینوں کے بعد, اور مجھے امید ہے کہ اب یہ آزاد ہوں گے. یہ نہیں کہ یہ آج ایک دن کے لیے ان کو چھوڑ دیا اور پھر ان کو بند کریں گے, وہ نہیں ہونا چاہیے. اور ہم امید کرتے ہیں کہ دوسرے بھی جو بند ہیں ان سے بھی میری ملاقات ہوگی. کل بھی کچھ سے ملوں گا, پرسوں بھی دوسروں سے ملوں گا جو بند ہیں, کہ ہم لوگ آزادی سے بیٹھ کر اس ریاست کے بارے میں, لوگوں کے بارے میں کچھ سوچ سکیں. اس کے ساتھ ساتھ میں یہ بھی کہنا چاہتا ہوں کہ ہماری کوشش ہے کہ یہ ریاست خوشحالی کی طرف چلے, یہاں کے لوگ اس مشکل سے نکل آئیں جس میں ہم پھنسے ہوئے ہیں, اور کوئی راستہ نکالا جائے اس ریاست کی اس ایکتا کو بنانے کے لیے. یہی ہماری کوشش ہے, اور اس کی پہلی یہ کڑی تھی جس میں ہم لوگوں نے ان سے ملاقات کی. آج کا مقصد صرف یہ تھا کہ یہ آ سکیں, گھر سے نکل سکیں, اور ہم ان سے ملاقات کر سکیں. آگے جب ہم سب سے مل لیں گے, اس کے بعد جو ہمارا پولیٹیکل ایجنڈا ہے, پولیٹیکل ریویوز ہیں, وہ ہم کریں گے. اس میں ہم آپ کو بلائیں گے, اور آپ کے سامنے جب ہم سب سے بات کر لیں گے, جتنے بھی اندر ہمارے ساتھی بند ہیں, تو ہم آپ کے سامنے پوری تفصیل سے آپ کے سامنے بات رکھیں.
Dr. How did you see the present situation of overall Jammu and Kashmir?
Well, you are the people who have the eyes and the ears of the people more than us who were locked up. You know what the position is. People are in a most miserable condition. There's hardly anything to say. There's hardly any drinking water for people. Businesses are all zero. Tourism is zero. There is suffering everywhere. There is not a place where there is not suffering. On top of it, we have also got this virus, coronavirus, which is also taking a heavy toll on the people. And we still have a situation where security is very tight, where people are not able to move.
You did not get my point properly. I said that how do you see the present situation of the Kashmir, overall Jammu and Kashmir, because the application of article is gone.
No, the question is, you see the situation before you.
Now the third step is demilitarization. Given the number of times Ram or the election process.
As I told you, that is a secondary issue on which we'll have a discussion between the party people, and we will then tell you what is the situation and how we will react to it and what we intend to do. Today our basic aim was that whether our people who have been locked in for 12 months could come out of their homes. As the government said, they are not locked. So I hope this is not going to be just one time, that they have come out, they are now free people.
ڈاکٹر صاحب 2 بار ہوا کہ آپ نے 5 اگست کو آپ پارٹی میٹنگ بلائی تھی, اجازت نہیں ملی. آج آپ نے چند قائدین کی میٹنگ بلائی تھی, اس کو ملی, اور ابھی آپ نے صرف نیشنل کانفرنس کے بعد, کیونکہ جموں کشمیر کہتے ہیں ڈاکٹر صاحب سب سے سینئر لیڈر ہیں, اور جو ماحول اور حالات بنائے گئے ہیں, اس میں ڈاکٹر صاحب کا کیا آنے والے دنوں میں آل پارٹی میٹنگ اور شوقی خان بند ہے, ان کے لیے بھی کچھ بات کریں گے؟
دیکھیے, میں نے آپ سے کہا آج کا مقصد کیا تھا. آج کا مقصد تھا کہ جو ساتھی ہمارے بند ہیں اور جن کے بارے میں سرکار نے یہ ریپیٹڈلی کہا ہے کہ یہ بند نہیں ہیں, یہ گھر سے نکل نہیں سکتے تھے, آج مقصد یہ تھا کہ یہ دیکھنا کہ کیا سچ مچ ہمارے ساتھی نکل سکتے ہیں, آزاد ہیں, گھوم سکتے ہیں آزادی سے, اس طرح آپ گھوم رہے ہیں. یہ مقصد تھا. آج سیاسی مقصد اتنا ہی تھا. جب تک ہم ساتھیوں کو سب کو نہیں دیکھیں گے آزاد, اس کے بعد ہم لوگ بیٹھیں گے اور ہم لوگ سب چیزوں پہ آپ کے سامنے پورے کھلم کھلا آپ کے سامنے بات کریں گے ان مسئلوں
What
پہ.
next? Because you also talk about the state vote. Umar Abdullah also says he will not participate in any elections after the state vote.
Look, let me tell you, this is not a question of statehood and other things. As I told you very clearly, today our meeting was merely to see whether our colleagues could come out of their homes. The government used to say they are free. They were not free. They could not get out of their home. They didn't take place because the government. Sir, what was the need for it? Why did I call it? Why do you want to know it now? It didn't take place. Had it taken place, we would have put before you what we discussed and what we. But we are not going to end there here. We will have that meeting, inshallah. We will have the meeting of all party, that Gupkar declaration. We will have a meeting on that. We are not running away from that. That is our core issue.
So all NC leaders are free now?
No, these are the four you have seen. I am going to try and see that others that are locked in. Tomorrow I'll call in 5 more. Then we were 16 of them who are locked in. And one man unfortunately did not survive. So we are going to call all these people to see that they are free. What I would request, please do put this. We hope it is not going to be just once. That they are free as you are. As free as you are. I know you're not that free. I know press is not free. I know fully well. And unfortunately, that is tragedy. Well, that is secondary issue. The point here today was that are they free? They have come, alhamdulillah. I'm grateful to God and to the court and our lawyers who fought for them. They have come. I hope that the others that I'm going to meet, they're also going to come. And I hope that they are going to be free permanently and not just for one meeting with Farooq Abdullah.
Doctor, are you going to remain silent on the issues that are happening outside on the city? Like,
No, we are not going to be silent, as I told you. That is not the issue today. That issue will come. And you can grill us on that day when we have finally had a political meeting and a Gupkar meeting of the people who were in that meeting. Then we will put before you.
have actually changed sides.
Who has changed side?
For example, some people have switched off as gone back to IES.
Look,
Some have gone
look.
out to join the party.
You see, let me tell you one thing. اگر کسی کا ایمان کمزور ہے اس کے لیے فاروق عبداللہ ذمہ نہیں ہے. وہ اس کا نہیں. That is his conscience. He has to answer his conscience and his God. Farooq Abdullah does not have to answer for him. He is gone. He's gone. So what? ارے اکیلا ہی چلا تھا جانب منزل مگر لوگ آتے گئے کارواں بنتا گیا.
August 5 decision is wrong and to the NC's politics wrong. What happened on August 5
I want to add something.
Let me
I
tell
want to
you,
add something.
we have never been proved wrong. We will never be proved wrong, and we will stay to our death day on what we believe should be done.
Dr. Saab, you are 7 months. Government of India announces the advice. Did you take advice about the decision?
Why should I take? I told you then also. Do you remember? What did I say here? That's a tragedy with you people. I don't really know which side you people are. This side or that side. Let me tell you. I know. I've been Chief Minister of this state. I know. I'm not going to talk that thing. Let's get that out. Quite here as I said that day, let people come out.
Yes.
The day people are out, we are able to sit down. Farooq Abdullah will tell you what we have to say. What is wrong about that? اس کا فائدہ مجھے سب سے بڑا یہ ہے کہ یہ گھر سے نکل سکے. آپ تو نکلتے ہو, یہ گھر کی 4 دیواری سے باہر نہیں نکل سکتے. 1 साल और 15 दिन नहीं निकले, शुक्र करो ये पागल नहीं हुए। देखिए, पहले हमारी बात ये थी कि ये निकल आए, प्रोसेस शुरू हो गई, दूसरे भी आएंगे, प्रोसेस शुरू होगी, उसके बाद हम लोग बैठेंगे। और
डॉक्टर साहब आपके 3 पार्लियामेंट में आपके साथ में बैठे और जब आपकी जलसा था तो सागर साहब ने कहा था कि उसके बाद क्या कुछ हुआ तीनों का पार्लियामेंट में क्या रोल रहा है? जबकि
सुनिए मैं आपको बताऊं, पार्लियामेंट लगी तब से लगी, पार्लियामेंट में हमें मौका मिला जाने का, फारूक अब्दुल्ला को मिला जाने का मौका था, मुझे मौका। आप देखिएगा जब मैं पार्लियामेंट जाऊंगा तब मेरा रोल और इनका रोल देखिएगा, हमारा रोल क्या है।
तो डॉक्टर साहब जब पार्लियामेंट को जाने नहीं देते हैं तो हमारी मेन स्ट्रीम कितनी बेबसी है? जब आपको बुलाने के
कोई बेबसी नहीं है, जिसका सहारा हमने लिया है वो वहीं पर है, हमारा सहारा वही है।
Thank you.
Sir, even during your detention, none of the national parties raised a voice, and now even they are
Look, let me tell you, how can you say they did not raise voice?
very clear.
Please. Trinamool Congress raised a voice. Please, they raised a voice. DMK raised a voice repeatedly. Congress raised a voice. Chidambaram has been speaking about us. Sybil has been speaking about us. Sharad Pawar has been speaking about us from that party. Even Shiv Sena from Bombay said, what have you achieved by doing all this? So don't say that in the country there is not a voice that does not feel that injustice has been done to the people of Jammu and Kashmir.
a surprise sprang in the form of Arvind Kejriwal and others who on after August 5, there was a U-turn from their side.
Sir, how one turns this side or that side, it's not Farouk's problem. It is their problem. It is for them what they want to do. It's there for them.
That you have to wait until your leaders will be out. Do you need to see decide that how long Kashmiris have to wait so that your
Kashmiris have waited for 70 years, so how does it matter if they wait for another 5 years? Does it matter?
Opposition leader is also under house arrest. Settle now.
We're not-
Mahbooba Mufti.
Who?
You didn't say about Mahbooba Mufti.
You didn't ask me about Mahbooba. You are asking me now. So ye second khayal? I am in constant touch with her. I keep on speaking to her. And therefore, she is part of that declaration that we made here. She is signatory to it. So, we are also concerned about her. We do want her to be free. That will be a great day for all of us. That every leader of this state is free, able to move freely without any problem.